Okay, thank you for joining here. My name is Mike Wood. We are going to do a simple step-by-step webinar to teach you how to add products in your eMentorBuild web builder. So if you come into the web builder, you'll see all of the links on the left-hand side of the builder, and one of them is products. If you click on that word products, it'll bring you to a screen where you'll have all of your products in here. Or if you haven't added any, then it'll just say add your first product. So if we want to add a new product, we're just going to come here to this add new button right here. And we'll click on that add new. And that's going to take us into an edit product screen where we can add the new product or an add new product screen. And so now that we're in this screen, and let's just say we've got your product open in another tab here. So for example, we want to take this product from Amazon and add that. So we just highlight just the title, copy that title, come back to the tab that has our product, our builder, and paste that title in there. And that gives us our title. Now we want to put a description in too while we're at it. So we'll come back over here. And we'll eventually need the image, so it's not going to hurt to click on this and download the image. You want to click the small one so that it will give you this larger one, and then this is the one that you'll right-click and save image as to download that image. And then I would suggest pasting in the same title that we just copied for the image so you know what the image is. And that's just a right click again. Anytime if you right click, you've got a paste option, and whatever you last copied will paste in there. So all I did was right click on the file name that was already highlighted, and it replaced it. Now I'm going to create a new folder on the desktop here, and we'll call it products so that we can put and then double click that, and that's where we'll save these product images. So just like that, we've saved the image to the desktop. And now we want to copy any description information that we have here. So let's scroll down and see if they have any. There we've got a pretty good description. See this detail here? That's all we need. We'll just copy that information right there. This is for the bag. This is the page that we're on. So if we scroll up, you can see the bag that looks like it has different colors. This one's a blue one. Down below, they show a white one. But the product description is the same. So we've copied that, and now we come over here. This is this paragraph section. This big white box is where we paste our product. So we come in here. Now we might need to click on text over here. It's not giving me a paste. There we go. And then we've got a paste option to paste that in. So all I did was up here at the top right, we've got visual or text. If you don't see the option to paste in visual, you go to text. And again, to get that paste option, we just right click, and that gives us this menu where we can select paste. Now we can go back to visual and see what it actually looks like. And if we want to change some of these details, we could go in and highlight that features, for example, and click the B up at the top, and that will bold that word for us. Okay? And so you have the ability to change that just like a Word document. You can change any of that you want. Now the next basic thing we need is come down here to the product image, and we're going to click on Set Product Image. And we've got to go to the Upload Files at the top left here to upload our new image, and then select Files in the middle. That's bringing us, you see here, it's looking at the desktop. Well, remember, we put a new file or a new folder on the desktop called Products, and so we've got to scroll down until we find that Products folder. I just passed it there. Right here is our image, and so we double-click that folder. That shows us the image. If we just double-click that image real fast, it'll upload the image for us. And that'll show the progress here, and then once the progress bar is gone, the image is checked already. We go down to the lower right corner and click Set Product Image, and that puts the product image in for us. Then we scroll down here to the price section, and we can put in our price. Now we want to be above our cost, so if our cost, so if our cost is 100, then we can do 130. So 130, and that's it. Those are the basics. That'll get our product in. And that's all we need to do. There's no need to put 0.00 on it, just 130 will do it. And then we click Publish, the blue Publish button up here, and that will save the product. And then you'll notice after we've done that Publish, up here at the top of the product, if you scroll up, you'll see now we're on a screen that says Edit Product, and right next to it we have an Add New. And so we can click that to start our next product and repeat this process.